Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I want to show you the two bags I got from San Diego. I got this bag, which I got from Francesca's. I love it. It was on sale. I think it was originally $25 and I got it for $7. It's my work bag. It's my travel bag. I love it. And then the bag from Ferragamo came. They sent it to the Rago Brothers. They determined it was real. They fixed the bag like it's brand new. So the outside of the leather of the bag was kind of like, you know when you paint your nails and you accidentally touch fabric and then it just totally messes it up? That's what the bag looked like on the outside. I have already opened it, but I haven't taken everything apart. So let me show you what it now looks like. It cost me $200, $45 for the chain, and the rest was to finish the outside of the black leather, and I didn't have to pay for the shipping for it to come back, and it showed up less than 6 weeks. I'm so excited. Let's get to it. So it came from Ferragamo, San Diego, from the UPS shipping. My husband had to sign for it. So let's take a look what the Rago Brothers did. Unfortunately, I did not get the dust back, but this looks so good. Oh my God. And there is a smell because they had to refinish it because the leather was just really bad. They tried to do it in store, but it didn't work. Oh my God. It's like it's brand new, the leather. So this is my mini top handle Wanda bag, or the mini Wanda bag in silver hardware. This is vintage, but look at it. This was bad. They did an awesome job. Look, it says Ferragamo. Now, the lady said if they couldn't fix it, they always had these at the outlet. Because they were selling them in store, but then they went to the outlet. And I said, no, I want to see if they can refinish it. And I'm so glad I went with the refinishing, because to get a new bag like this was over $2,000. And at the outlet, it was probably still $1,500. This was the original paperwork with the series number. And it told you how to take care of the bag in English. Let me see. Leather can be damaged by humidity. In order to maintain its natural beauty, it should be protected from rain and damp conditions in general. Any irregularities in the color or in the grain are normal characteristics of natural leather. So this is the new strap I get to have with it. Oh my God, it's so shiny. I wish I would have gotten a dust bag with this, but they didn't give me one. So this chain fits under here. I really wish they would have just put this in a pouch. It's going to take me a second to undo it. I don't want to scratch up the leather that just got redone. And inside we have a series number, and it does say Salvatore Ferragamo. I just don't want, counterfeiters to copy this. One giant pocket in here, one slip pocket here. This is the replacement chain. This was the one that cost $45. So let's show you what it looks like with it. just go like this. Oh my God, I'm going to cherish this bag for the rest of my life. And thank you guys so much for watching. They just made this brand new. I know they used some type of chemical. It was horrible. It was like, it had a film, like you painted it and you put it on fabric and it got damaged. And they fixed this like brand new with a brand new chain. You cannot get the silver version unless it's vintage. And it's like a mini north south bag. It's awesome. I love this. I'm going to use the Rago Brothers again. I have 2 more bags that need to be fixed. I mean, this is like brand new. You cannot believe what it looked like. If I can insert a picture of what it looked like, I will, but it was horrible. This is great. Anyway, I love the San Diego store from Ferragamo. Thank you guys so much for watching.